Oh, really?
No, not here. The ones I've seen.
Oh, yeah.
Insane, man. How beautiful they are.
Just walking up this little tributary kind of thing. I see some rocks. I'll take the path up, see what's happening. Follow me up here. My phone will cooperate and stay focused and stuff. There's where I'm heading. Up through here, you can see the choices I got. But we're gonna take one. Looks like this one's the way. Right here. Looks like a good way. Oh shit. Okay. My backpack got stuck, but it's good now. Alright. Coming up through here. What a place, man. You can see we have company. Not so old. Animals have been up here recently. Just checking this place out, man. Running a little long, sorry. Just want to share this with everyone. It's so awesome. It's amazing.